Today we're doing an engine teardown inspection on one of our long-term field test trucks from BSA Trucking. It's a 2017 Peterbilt powered by a Cummins i615 engine. Truck 280, it's a long-term field test truck. We switched it over to Mobil Delvac 1300 Super 10W30 CK4, right around 50,000 miles. It's been on test up to this point, so a little over 2.5 years, and we've accumulated about 540,000 miles.
I don't know whose oil it is, what oil it is, or anything else. That's why I'm totally unbiased. I look at everything, every moving part that has metal-to-metal contact.
How's that cylinder head looking?
It looks good. I'm just checking the valve tip wear right now. I still see the chamfered edge on there. You tell me what I was expecting by looking at the crossheads. I see no pitting on the tops. Everything looks great. But right now I'm checking the rockers. All looks good. No wear, no pitting on, no scratching.
You know, as far as maintenance issues, internally, engines, anything like that, we've seen zero issues, mechanical. I mean, the oil does its job, hands down.
This camshaft looks phenomenal. I mean, absolutely no wear on any of the lobes or any of the journal surfaces. Again, this is kind of what we expected from Delvac 1300 Super. It's always nice to do an inspection and make a correlation to the used oil analysis.
For Mobil Delvac 1300 Super, just as we expected. Literally no sludge or varnish deposits, enhanced oxidation control, viscosity shear stability, and engine wear protection. Mobil Delvac 1300 Super is a superior diesel engine oil.